Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Porchy Tech, and today we're going to be unboxing the Spigen Ultra Hybrid MagFit case, and this is for your phone that has MagSafe, obviously. So this is going to be the Frost Deep Red color. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this today. So if you're in the market looking for one of these cases and you want to see it beforehand, then you're at the right place. So I have the iPhone 15 Pro Max in the titanium white, and this is the phone we're going to install this on to see how it looks with this color. Okay, so regular stuff on the box. You see it says Frost Deep Red, and this is the MagFit for MagSafe, and this is the Ultra Hybrid from Spigen. So let's go ahead and remove this from the box, put that aside for now, take it out of the plastic. And here is the case. So this red is a little deeper red than it looks on the box, but still beautiful. Look at this nice color. So you won't have to worry about even the edges turning yellow or anything. So this is a nice accent piece around the case. You do see the MagSafe in the back here, the MagSafe strip in black. So let's go ahead and see how this would look on the white phone. First, let's go off. Well, let's look at it. This has the charging port cut out, the speaker grill as usual, volume up and down, the action button here, and we have the power button here on the right. So let's go ahead and peel this off from the inside, and on the outside there's one as well. So let's move these aside, get it off the table here. Okay, so this is the case. We're gonna go ahead and put it on the phone, see how it looks. All right, so there we have it. Beautiful, looks really nice. So we got the MagSafe strip on the back here in black, and you see this a titanium white iPhone 15 Pro Max. You got the power button, volume up and down, action button, and the speaker grill and charging port cut out here. So let's feel these buttons and see how they feel. Wow, really nice and soft. I've seen some cases before, like previous versions of the iPhone cases, where the buttons had a lot of resistance to them, where when you click them it was really hard. You got to really give it some force, but this one is really easy and really nice and soft. So volume, let's try those are nice and soft as well. The action button, let's hold that down to activate or deactivate the sound mode on my phone. That's what I have it set as. And from the back it has like a tint, so it's not, you're not seeing that bright white through it. Kind of give it like a darker shade, like a tint. So but it really looks nice, and that's the color of the red. It's like a deeper red. That's how it looks at the bottom, on the side here, and from the top. That's it from the front and the back. Okay, and it does have a little lip here to protect your phone. If you put it down on the face, it gives you some protection there, and the lip that goes over the camera bump here. So if you put it down on the back here, you have protection as well. And it does wrap, but not like the previous phones. Yeah, it's really nice. And as you can see, if you look from this angle here, you can see these little stubs here that sticks out at the back of the case. So if you put it down, these stubs here would hit the surface first if it's a flat surface. So that's it. So again, let's take another look around from the front of the phone, the bottom. We got the left side, the right side, and the back. All right, so if you're in the market looking for one of these cases, hopefully this video helps you out in making your decision in purchasing this case, and I'll have the link below so you can go ahead and make your purchase through that link. Okay, thank you for watching again. Remember to hit that subscribe button, turn your notification bell on to get notified when I have posts on this channel. Okay, peace.